So hi there, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Stay at Home Grandma, and I have the compact. It's I'm not even try to say that. It's binoculars, and this is. It's got a high quality lens. It's got multicolored optical. It's got ergonomic eyepieces, wide angle field of view, and compatible with eyeglasses. So let's open it, shall we? How's everybody doing? I'm doing. I don't know what I'm going to be looking at, but you never know. Everybody else has binoculars around here but me. So when I go someplace or something like that, I don't bird watch, but you know, when you're looking at something, everybody else pulls out their binoculars with me. I don't have any. So now I have some. Let's look through and see what we can see. So it's Obliviscar, and that's nice. It's good vision. This is how you open them to widen them, and this is how you close them. So these are nice binoculars. I'm going to have fun with these. So I'd like you to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up. And I'll leave my comments in the comment section. And I like these. So I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.